This is the ginger plant I planted during summer, and you can see the leaves are getting dried, and the ginger is ready to harvest. So I'm just going to show you how it looks. Okay, so let me show you how it looks from here. So let me pull out some sand. So you can see there is ginger root ready to be harvested, and here you go. You can see there is, I actually planted very small ginger, the organic one, and it grew quite big. So I'll show you how it looks, and let me pull out. Here you go. As you can see, there are few ginger roots here, and I have quite a few actually, and it's a completely organic ginger. Here I have fresh ginger grown in the pot, and it's all organic. Took few months to grow, but I think I planted this small of a piece, and then I have all this now, and you can see there are lots of eyes. So if I replant them, they'll grow again. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'm so looking forward to using this. Thank you for watching.